Hi, my name's Beth and today I'm going to show you how to print multiple ribbons at once using the multi-width adapter templates. First of all, load your ribbon onto the spindle at the back, just next to each other, and then load your foil. The videos for loading ribbon and foil for all of the printer models are on our website. So to print multiple ribbons you need to use the multi-width adapter. As you can see, this is a 25mm adapter and it has three 25mm ribbons. You thread the ribbon up through the top hole and then back down through the bottom hole, and then just gently roll the spools backwards so you can put the adapter down into the base of the printer, and then slide the adapter beneath the left hand bracket on this model, or for the centre printer models just pop it into the centre and then push the brackets together, and then pull the ribbon slightly forward. Your adapter will slide forward slightly and that's fine. Then you need to lower the print head carriage and click it down into place, and then you're ready to print. So now we're going to print. So load the design. You will have already downloaded the multi-width templates from our downloads page on the website and save them into your Diamond Design Projects folder. So we just open up the relevant one. Today it's the 25mm, and you'll see that there are lines of text for each of the ribbons. So to edit these, you just click on the line of text and then right click, and this is where you'll be able to click edit text and change the font and what the text says. Once you've done that, you click on OK. If you'd like to add images, like this little image here, click on to add image and choose your image, and then click add and place your image, resize it and put it in line with the text. Once you've done all three lines of text, you then click on print, choose the printer, select how many copies you'd like to print and click print. Thank you very much for watching. If you need any more information, please don't hesitate to give us a call or visit our website.